What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you do not know me, my name is Nick and I'm an entrepreneur and I make day in the life vlogs almost every single day on the path to $30,000 a month and showing you the ins and outs in business. If you're interested in starting one, you can get a good idea of what it's like. So today, and at the very end of every single video, I go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money that we made. Also, so today we are going to be doing customer orders, but we're also going to be doing an FBA shipment. So today's going to be kind of busy. We're going to try to get as much stuff as we can out, and also I got to go do some not returns. We need to do I need to resend some stickers out because some people didn't get them. So got to do that as well. Busy day. We're going to get after it. Let's get started. All right, guys, so I am done for today. I have had a cold for a couple days and my brain is super foggy and I keep running, my nose keeps running. That's why I keep shoving towels in there, or paper towels in there, as you can see in the video. You're probably confused. So I am gonna stop for today and I will get some sleep tonight so that I can get my FBA order shipment out, because it is right here, guys. We have it right here and here, but I'm not driving to the store right now. So I'll do that tomorrow. Let's go over yesterday's revenue from yesterday to show you how much money that we made, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $30.19. We made $43.47 on Quality Prints USA, on Shopify, and $218.54 on Amazon. So a total of $292 in revenue, at a total of $3,400 this last 10 days. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully we hit 30K this month off of, our Coastal Cowboy sales and all that stuff. But I think maybe 15 would be a good start. Sorry, guys, my brain is mush right now. I'm sick and I can't think, so sorry. I apologize. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Sorry, there's construction outside. But I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.